Hello, my name is Charlie Stewart, and I am a financial planner with Integrated Equity Management. I am recording a series of answers of questions I frequently receive from certain clients that, as part of their compensation package with their respective employers, they receive compensation in the form of either restricted stock units or employee stock options.
Another question we've received is, how do RSUs and options impact my taxes?
Another great question. They both impact your taxes. Some of RSUs you don't have as much control over. Options you have a little bit more control over. So with RSUs, when you are granted RSUs, typically that is not a taxable event at the time in which the RSUs are granted. It is when the RSUs actually vest that you have a taxable event. So in the example of 100 shares and they vest 25 shares per year, in the first year when you get those 25 shares, if the stock price on the day that they vest is, say, $10 a share, then you would have $250 of taxable income that would be added to your W-2 for that particular year for that block of RSUs. For options, again, when you are granted options, that is not a taxable event to you oftentimes. And the actual taxable event comes at the time in which you exercise the options. Exercising is basically when you say, hey, my options I can buy at 50 and sell at the current market price. That is exercising your options. So if your options had a grant price of, again, $50 a share, and if you decided to exercise them when the current market price was at $75 a share, and you exercised 100 shares, your taxable income is a little bit of math here, but you take the grant price of 50 less or off of the current market price of 75, so you have a $25 delta, and you multiply that by the number of options you're exercising, which I just said was 100. So in that case, you would have taxable income, which would be added to your W-2 of about $2,500.
That was perfect.
But until you actually exercise the options, there is no actual taxable event to you.
And if someone has a question specifically about this, how can they get in touch with you?
They can, couple of ways. They can call our office. Office number is 952-854-5544 and ask for me. Again, my name is Charlie Stewart. Or you can send me an email, Charlie, CHARLEY, at integratedequity.net. And I'd be more than happy to talk through any questions you have and anything that relates to your particular situation. Happy to chat through whatever questions you may have.